Good morning everyone, join me for a day in the world of pool maintenance. Let's check our tools and get ready for the day. Clean water is essential to health in recreation. This includes health clubs, hotels, holiday parks, and today I'm at a local leisure centre checking the pool water. Good morning, Laura. Let's collect a water sample from different depths of the pool, ensuring a representative sample. Meet my sidekicks: accurate instruments, harmonious reagents, and precision accessories. Now let's run these tests to keep our pools safe and sound. This is how we test the water to keep everyone safe. Using this instrument, we can test for other parameters. I will now transfer the data to Palintest Connect. Sometimes we hit a bump. That's when technical support steps in. Thank you for guiding me through the issue. Let's continue with the pool monitoring activities. And that's a wrap. Taking care of the pool as a team, we are keeping your swim safe and fun every day.
Palintest are celebrating 40 years as part of Halma plc in 2023. To mark this occasion, we sat down with the Managing Director, Mark Davison, as well as employees to discuss Palintest's heritage, relationship with Halma plc and plans for the future.
Safeguarding water for everybody every day. Who can say that they do that?
Palintest's purpose is to safeguard water for everyone every day. Palintest has a clear vision. How do you achieve that vision?
We achieve our vision by focusing on our 4 strategic pillars, which are customer, innovation, operations and talent. And we also want to create a fair and safe working environment where everybody feels belonging and empowerment.
How does Palintest's heritage influence the company in 2023?
Well, the first thing I'd like to say is we're very much a future-focused organisation, but we have got a long history. The history of the company dates back to the early 1800s, and Dr. Palin was a chemist, and he invented the DPD method for testing for chlorine in water. And in 1989, the company was named or renamed Palintest to honour the work that he'd been doing. But going forward, we build on that heritage and that innovation in terms of our future focus and the innovation we plan to bring to the market over the next few years.
Mark, since Palintest became part of Halma, what have been the company's key achievements?
So there's been many over the years, but maybe I'll just mention a few key ones. In 1986, we moved into our current head office here at Palintest House. In 1992, we opened an operation in Australia. And in 1993, we also opened an operation in North America. And in 2005, also entered the Chinese market. And in 1997, we brought the manufacture of our photometric instruments in-house. And another achievement is our electrochemical sensor technology, which is our Chemio platform that we launched in 2019. And that is a revolution in the field of water testing. All of our achievements, large and small, have enabled us to grow the business, and across the last 2 years we've actually had 2 record years of revenue.
How does it feel to know that Palintest products are having such an impact on public health right across the world?
Water obviously is incredibly important, and Palintest and Halma really are focused on the environment and how we can benefit everybody from the devices that we make.
So what have been the exciting developments that you've seen at Palintest over the last few years?
One of the best for me are product development, in terms of the variety of products that we now offer to meet customer requirements.
So where does Palintest fit in to the Halma group of companies?
So Halma plc is a global group of life-saving technology companies. And their purpose is to grow a safer, cleaner and healthier future for everyone every day. Now the group is split into 3 sectors, and Palintest sit in the environmental and analysis sector. Companies in that sector provide technologies and protect the environment, so it's a perfect fit for Palintest.
What are the advantages of Palintest being part of Halma plc?
It's being part of a very large group of companies with all the expertise that all these people have. You can tap into the experience and tools of all the other companies. So from time to time we meet them, we discuss, we have a networking setup where we can share ideas and share knowledge. So it's just being part of a really large community.
What worldwide Halma initiatives has Palintest been part of? And how has Palintest contributed to these?
So Palintest has the opportunity to participate in lots of groundbreaking campaigns since joining Halma. More recently, the Halma Water for Life campaign, which is aimed at tackling the global issue of water accessibility and quality. So working with WaterAid, we've carried out multiple fundraising activities, supplying over 18,000 water quality tests with our WagTech kits, to the northeast of India, and as a group we've raised over £200,000.
I come from Africa, where water is a scarce commodity, so I'm fully aware of how challenging lack of water can be, and I want to be part of that drive that Palintest are making in participating in global efforts to improve water availability and management.
I think everybody at Palintest should be proud, no matter what part of the business they work in, knowing the impact out in the world.
What are you most passionate about working at Palintest?
I think it's the products and the technology behind them and the applications that they're used in. It's a very interesting business to be in, an awful lot of diversity.
What's next for Palintest? What does the future hold for the business?
Well, with the support of Halma, we'll continue to focus on our purpose and also deliver our vision of being a global leader in water analysis technologies and services. We'll continue to grow our business in our strategic markets, both existing and new, and we'll be focused on delivering against our customer needs to achieve that. And we're going to continue to innovate and develop sustainable solutions that meet the demands of a changing world.
Line testing, offline improvements, and improve our general quality of products on the shop floor. We've invested in our new tableting area. This includes a state-of-the-art tablet machine that is 2 to 3 times faster than our current machine and allows us to run at an increased capacity. And then we've also spent £500,000 on our liquid line, which is state-of-the-art, new machinery.
My name's Matthew Gibbings and my job title is PQT Manager, and basically I'm responsible for all quality aspects in the reagent side of the business. The investment means to me that we have like a separate small-scale production facility where we can work on problem products and they're not involved in the main line, so they're not causing issues to the main production facility, which gives us time to solve and iron out issues before they go back into that area. So that makes the flow of materials much more streamlined when it's in production.
The benefits of the investments for Palintest staff are numerous. Really dear to my heart is that the working life of the staff has improved following the investment. We've got new machinery which is quicker, easier to run, easier to change over from one job to the next. And so that's going to make the working day of the staff who come here better, more enjoyable. It also makes us more attractive for bringing on new talent and allows us to train new starters more quickly. It also gives us more development opportunities to give to the staff who are here. A new machine requires sometimes a different skill set. It requires learning and it gives a greater breadth of activity to undertake. The manufacturing improvements support Palintest's purpose and vision very directly. Our purpose is to safeguard water for everyone every day. And an element of our vision is to be a leader in best-in-class water analysis technology. We can't be best in class without the machinery to back that up. So having a best-in-class machine suite allows us to deliver on our vision to be best in class.
Please use the chat function. We will be supporting you. Now I'll pass over to our team to introduce themselves. So over to you, Jess. Jess, I can't hear you. Is that at my end?
No, I can't hear either. Yep.
Yep. Fab. Okay, so yes, as I just said, thanks, Sharia. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining and welcome to today's webinar. So today, as Sharia mentioned, we'll be discussing the challenges faced by multi-site pool and spa operators and our solutions to address these challenges. So at Palintest, we exist to safeguard water for everyone every day, and today we'll be discussing how we act on our purpose in the context of swimming pool and spa water. So in summary, the topics we'll cover today are firstly an introduction to Palintest and our brand new recreational water team, and we'll then talk about some of the problems that pool and spa operators face and our solution to those problems. So firstly, a bit about Palintest. Palintest offers simplicity in testing and reliability in results through 3 key benefits. The first, save time through simple, easy to use testing equipment. Second, to ensure peace of mind with reliable results and responsive customer and technical support. And third, minimise downtime with accurate results to avoid disruption and prevent any unnecessary pool closures. So Palintest has appointed a team of people specifically focused on looking after our recreational water market and our customers. This includes Amy Elland, who is our Sales Executive Lead, and today's webinar panel, which will be myself. I'm Jessica McKenna. I'm Product Manager for our recreational water sector, and James Lester, who is our Business Development Manager for the sector. So before we discuss our solution, it's critical to understand the importance of testing. So the benefits of water quality testing are numerous. It provides data about the current state of the water and helps to identify possible sources of contamination. It can also identify problems early, leading to faster solutions and preventing future health risks. Regular testing is crucial to maintain water safety. So with this in mind, we're first going to look at a few common issues which we know swimming pool and spa operators can face. Firstly, rigorous and consistent testing regimes must be followed across multiple sites, and it is crucial that tests are carried out at specific set time intervals. Operators also need to ensure they comply with regulations and can demonstrate that internally and externally. And also, a lot of the time reporting is manual through paper records. So manual reporting and data management can divert skilled staff away from their core roles, and maintaining paper logs and collating results can be time consuming. Manual reporting also leaves room for human error, which can lead to inaccuracies in the data. We recognise these issues and have developed solutions to address these challenges. So now I'll pass over to my colleague James, who will introduce our solutions.
Thank you, Jess. Can you all hear me? Just before I check to make sure I'm muted myself. Yes, excellent. So thank you, Jess. I'm James, and I shall be taking you through our Palintest solutions. To help pool and spa operators address the challenges faced in water testing and data management, our Palintest solution integrates a number of products, these being instruments, consumables and accessories, data management, service and calibration, and customer support. So starting off, the first of our Palintest solutions starts with the instrument range, manufactured in the UK to our high standards. Our products are designed with ease of use in mind to simplify testing for quick results and minimal training requirements. Trusted technologies ensure reliable results and to understand water quality better, making water treatment processes more efficient, enabling cost savings on chemical treatment purchases. Our Lumiso photometers pictured in front of you now come in handheld or benchtop format and are all connectable to the Palintest Connect, which is our data management platform. We also supply a very varied amount of visual testing products as part of our scope of supply. Part of the pool test family, Lumiso pool test family, is 4 products ranging from the Lumiso Pool Test 3, that's ideal for indoor pools. Lumiso Pool Test 4, ideal for outdoor pools or spas. Indoor pools or spas. The Lumiso Pool Test 6, which is ideal for service managers or or service engineers. And finally, the Lumiso Pool Test Expert, which is our most ultimate in pool and spa photometric testing system, which arranges a range of key parameters. Each of the Lumiso instruments uses the same optical design to ensure accurate results. The optical design across the units ensures that all the accessories are interchangeable and all reagents are reusable across all the Lumiso range. Our most comprehensive offering is the Lumiso Pool Test Expert. This instrument has been designed with key features in mind, such as intuitive, simple testing. The Lumiso Pool Test Expert can be used with next to no user training, with the onboard built-in testing guidance, and utilizes a Palintest large designed user interface, enabling users to test and manage water chemistry quickly, accurately, and most importantly, reliably. The Lumiso Expert meets routine and trouble testing needs, with over 30 parameters built in for users to confidently can be confident that virtually all their parametric testing needs are covered. The units are quick testing. We know that users want to get water chemistry from the pools and spas as quickly as possible. So we've designed the units so that they can be quick and easy. The features have such customer favorites test list, and results are available from only just 4 clicks away from power on to results. Compliance with the Pool Test Expert has also been made easier with automatic results stored on test. They include not just the test results, but other key information such as users, labels, notes, time and date stamps, and pass and fail results. All this data can be easily found on the test log and is exportable by USB-C or QR code to the Palintest data management system, which Jess will go into more detail shortly. And finally, we know that these units often get used in challenging environments. So we have designed the units to be IP67 rated and with an rubberized overhead mold, so they can be used in many locations safely. The Lumisate Expert offers benefits to many different users. So we've put a kind of range of a few of the users here that can give them benefits to each of the Lumisate Experts. Benefits to lifeguards and instructors. These people are typically in commercial gyms, pools and spas, probably the ones who are going to carry out the bulk of the photometric testing. However, we do understand that this is not necessarily their main part of their job. However, it is very, very important for customer safety. With that in mind, we've designed the units so that they can be used by virtually anyone with little to no training. We're having an onboard test guidance to take you through all the tests and visuals that you need. This ensures that any kind of test being taken can be done quickly and, most importantly, correctly. Secondly, we've highlighted some benefits to leisure centre managers and head offices. The benefits to them, whereas they may not be using the instruments themselves for testing, they will still have a responsibility to feed back results to ensure that testing is being performed correctly. Now, using our labelling system and tagging system on the Lumisate Pool Test Expert, we've enabled that scrolling through handheld documents is now a thing of the past. Being able to easily go through the system and select all results, even on fail, to find out quickly what was done, what results were done, and by whom and by when. All this is stored at the central system, but can also be uploaded to the Palintest Connect and be produced in the PDF report format, which makes compliance even easier. And finally, to pool engineers, these are quite often members who are very knowledgeable in pool and water chemistry and mobile. So due to this, we wanted to make sure the Pool Test Expert could be used anywhere as required. Its robust waterproof design allows the engineer to test in situ or wherever they may be. And it's likely also the engineer will need to conduct many wide range of tests. That's why we've included over 30 parameters in the Pool Test Expert to ensure it covers all the elements of photometric water chemistry testing. The next step on our Palintest solution supplies the support of necessary consumables and accessories. We at Palintest manufacture and supply consumables from our laboratories in the UK for your testing needs. All the Lumisate kits come with a starter box of reagents to help you get started testing straight away. We also supply check standards, there's an example in the middle of the screen, to ensure that the photometers are within calibration. And of course, all the units come with accessories, but should you require any accessories separately, they are available to purchase. And with that, I'd like to pass you back to my colleague, Jess McKenna, who will take you through the Palintest data management solution.
Thanks, James. So following on from the information James has shared, I'm now going to share some details of our data management platform, which is compatible with our entire range of Lumisate photometers. So our data management solution is Palintest Connect. This is a cloud-based data management software that allows you to upload, view, and manage data on water quality easily. The benefits of this include viewing data from multiple sites, from multiple instruments remotely, demonstrating compliance and generating reports for auditing purposes, and activating product warranty and receiving remote product support. So the challenge that we see a lot of users facing in this sector is manually recording results. That throws up issues with data integrity and falsification of results, as well as struggles with being able to inform the relevant team leaders, general managers, or area managers of any out of range readings. So Palintest Connect is our solution to this issue. Measurements taken using any of our lumisulphotometers will be digitally recorded in the instrument memory alongside the date and time of the reading and any users or labels that are assigned to that measurement. These can then be uploaded to our Palintest Connect platform either wirelessly via QR code or through a wired USB transfer, where you can view data per parameter grouped by label. So for example, pool 1, pool 2, spar 1, etc. Red, amber, and green limits can be set so the platform easily illustrates where the data falls within your limits. And this data can be accessed by multiple people, and alert contacts can be set so that they're notified by email when any out of range results are recorded. So the key benefits with our Palintest Connect platform are remote supervision, so you can save time sifting through pages of written records with visibility of measurement results from multiple remote sites. The data log's digital, it's uploaded directly from the instrument to ensure the tests are actually being performed and results aren't being falsified. Using Palintest Connect also means you have an auditable data log and you can download reports for auditing and compliance purposes. Warranty and product registration, so you can also register your product and activate your instrument warranty via the Palintest Connect platform. And finally, using the platform means you can receive remote technical support, avoiding any instrument downtime. So the next part of our offer that I'll discuss is our servicing and calibration. So we know that instrument maintenance is a crucial part of swimming pool water analysis, and we offer servicing and calibration for all of our lumisulphotometers. Benefits of this include having confidence in the performance of your instrument, keeping your instrument operational and in use, which reduces the total cost of ownership of the instrument, minimises downtime, and extends the overall lifespan of the instrument. And each service also renews your calibration certificate to ensure you have the latest compliance documentation as well. We do recommend annual servicing to ensure your instrument continues to give reliable results. And with that, I'll pass back to James, who will discuss the final part of our offer.
Thank you, Jess. So back to me. I'm going to talk just a little bit about the customer support and then finish up. So at Palintest, the part of the customer support, we have a technical support team who are available for any query you may have. Our experienced team can provide expert guidance for all the ranges, tailored solutions, so solutions created to address your specific needs, and can provide training accessories where required. If you have any further questions or require any further information, you can visit our website or YouTube channel, or contact our technical team at support@palintest.com. So in summary, the benefits of adopting a Palintest solution: you save time and resources with a simple use, reliable and durable products. Have peace of mind with high quality, readily available consumables. Precision assurance provided with the confidence in performance through Palintest servicing. Can reduce compliance risk by being able to monitor and testing remote sites with Palintest Connect, and responsive support from our expert technical product and sales team. Thank you very much for taking the time to attend the webinar. We will now be available some questions. If you have any questions, please post them in the chats.